Today I'm going to show you exactly how to send an image as a file, not just a regular photo in Telegram on your Android device. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to send your images in full original quality, making sure your friends, coworkers, or anyone else gets your photo exactly as you intended, without Telegram compressing or resizing it. This is especially important if you need to share detailed documents, artwork, or images where every pixel matters. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up Telegram on your device and head over to the conversation where you want to send your image. This could be a private chat, a group, or even a channel, whatever suits your purpose. Just remember, the process is the same no matter what kind of chat it is. Opening the right conversation ensures you don't accidentally send your file to the wrong person, which, let's be honest, we've all done at least once. Now look at the message field. You'll notice a paperclip icon, usually right next to where you type your message. Go ahead and tap that. That paperclip stands for attachment, and it's your gateway for sending all sorts of files, not just photos and videos. Here's an important detail. After tapping the paperclip, you'll see a few options pop up. One of them is Gallery, and it's the one you probably use for sending photos most of the time. But when we send images this way, Telegram automatically compresses them, which means some quality is lost. Today we want to avoid that. Instead, look for the File option. It often has a document or folder icon. Select File, not Gallery. This tells Telegram you want to send the file as is with no changes or compression. Once you've tapped File, your phone's file manager will open. This is where you get a behind-the-scenes look at your phone's storage, kind of like opening the filing cabinet in your desk. Now, if you don't see your folders right away, look for three little horizontal lines in the upper left corner. This is the menu button. Give that a tap and you'll be able to navigate to the part of your phone where your image is stored. Most of the time, your pictures will be inside folders like DCIM, Pictures, or Downloads. If you're not sure, a quick scroll through those common folders should help you spot your image. Once you find the right folder and see your image file, tap on the image you want to send. You can usually recognize your image by the thumbnail preview, and if you need to, take a moment to make sure you're picking the correct one. Better safe than sorry, especially if you have lots of similar files. Telegram might show you a preview of your image before you officially send it, a little last chance to double-check everything looks good. If you're ready, tap the Send button, which often looks like a paper airplane icon. This uploads your image as a file, ensuring it keeps all its high quality no matter how large or detailed it is, and that's it. You've just sent an image as a file in Telegram, preserving every detail. If you ever need to send documents, artwork, or professional photos, this method will have you covered. Don't worry if this process feels a bit slow the first time. You'll get used to it, and your images will thank you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips about using Telegram. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.